What is up, guys? NM Games here, back in with another video. And in today's video I'm doing something a little bit new on my channel. It's a FIFA 15 pack opening, and yeah, as you see in the top left corner, I have 367 coins and 2,550 FIFA points to open some bit of packs. So yeah, let's get right into it. I haven't been uploading a video in like a few days because my Xbox broke and I had to buy a new one. So this is my first video on my new Xbox. So first pack ever, we get the Lord Bentner, whatever. All I know is he's the Lord. So next pack up, we get a Harry Kane. That's huge because I wanted to buy him. I want to make some coins and buy him. Oh my god, that's so huge. I could save myself a few thousand coins. Oh, only if that was a silver. Get him in bank. And we get no one. Pro packs are not pro packs. I'm really used to playing Madden. 7.5k packs are so shit. Bit better than the 5k packs. So next pack, get Calhoun and Molo, some pacey players. Yeah, we don't need this ball. Oh, it's one of the songs. That's funny. Yeah, we're not getting anything right now. This commentary is pretty boring, but when you get boring packs, it's gonna be boring. I get 1,000 coins right there. It's not bad. Right now in my bank, because I'm doing a voiceover, so right now my bank currently have like 20k or something like that. Because I have 2 pack openings on the way, this one and another one. So stay tuned for that on Sunday, because by the time I upload this video, it'll be Saturday, because I'm doing this video at 11:08. So yeah, by the time I edit, render, this, that, and the other, and get a girl. That is a girl. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that is a girl. So yeah, packs are looking really ass right now, and I have like no right to say that because it's my first time ever opening packs, and the video will end before my points are up. So I'll tell you guys now, just because I didn't get anybody good after I stopped recording. Like seriously, no one. I didn't even get a rare gold after I stopped recording. So yeah, packs are really trash. Next packed up, let's see who we get. We got 750 points left. We get Vanderwill. Oh, I remember this pack. Yeah, I get Dijon too. Get this manager. So we're nearing the end of the video, and if you guys like these sorts of videos, leave a like on the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.